Autocollant. Alors, what is it? In each episode, I share with you some stickers. Autocollant means stickers that you can use on WhatsApp. The application is called sticker.ly. You can find it on the Google or Apple Store, and you can use this link to download the application. It's an application with an app with a lot of stickers. It's free, but the bad thing, there is also a lot of publicity. So if you don't like publicity, okay, don't worry. I'm just gonna show you the stickers I have for you for the episode one. For the episode one, it's not the funniest stickers. I have like better one for the next episode, but at least it's gonna permit you to share greetings or say words in French with your friends. For example, coucou, merci beaucoup, bonne journée, have a good day, salut, bonne nuit, bonjour, bonne soirée, merci, bonsoir, oui, non, ah yes, because we didn't learn that in French. To say yes in French, we say oui, and to say no, we say non. Ok, bah très bien, très bien. The next lesson, one of my favorite one is to learn all the sentence we need to travel in France. Allez, à bientôt et au revoir.